Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss about abbreviation tag in HTML language. So let me open the compiler, and after that here I can add some text. For example, the Enable Website Design was founded in 2020. So now here I want to add some abbreviation. Let's see how it works. Then I can add here abbr, so that is for the abbreviation. Then add title is equal to Enable Website Design. Then after that close this tag. Then write here EWD. So E mean enable, W mean website, D mean design. Then after that close this tag. Then I can write this text in the end. So in this way you can use abbreviation tag. Now let's see how it works. Let me save this code, and after that go in the browser. So let me reload the page. So now here you can see, when I go here, then I found this one, Enable Website Design.